Draw a plane on the XY axis centered on 0, 0, 0. Store this mesh to be able to use it when creating the cube's 6 faces. For the front face, make a copy of the values and shift the resulting plane in the Z-axis. Add these values to your vertices list and add a copy of the plane triangles to your triangle list. For the back face, shift another copy of the plane's points except towards the opposite side. Add those points to your vertices list. Before storing the triangle values, reverse their order to make sure the clockwise triangles face outwards. Then, shift their values to make sure they reference the current vectors and not the ones on the first face. For the other faces, you can do a similar process except in a new dimension. For example, for the left and right faces, I switch the X and Z values of my original plane, which rotates it to face right. Then, I shift 2 copies of that plane on the Y-axis and make sure they both face outwards. Once all the faces are done, I assign the values to my mesh filter mesh. To turn this cube into a sphere, what I do is I loop through all my points and fix their distance from the center while keeping the same direction.
I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you can have a good time regardless if you subscribe.